friends, I am Aina Rai and I welcome you all in this video in which I am going to share with you very easy 5 steps in which you can improve your spoken English. So, moving ahead, this is Career Defense School, and if you haven't subscribed this channel, do subscribe it and get the latest update. So, the first step of English speaking is think in English. So, when you are like your native language is suppose Hindi, and when in your backend you listen something and you convert from that Hindi to English, you lose the frequency of that language. You lose the very like words of that language. So, it is the better if you start thinking in English. Sometimes difficult thing about English speaking it isn't the language, but how you think about it. If you think in your native language and then try to speak in English, you will have to translate between languages. Translating isn't an easy thing to do. Even people fluent in two or more languages have trouble switching between languages. So when you switch between language, you will lose the fluency of that language. So solution is to think in English. So this you can do in any ways. You can when you're ordering some food or when you're talking to someone, try this practice of answering someone while thinking in English only. Okay, so moving ahead, my second point is talk to yourself. So, whenever you're at home, you can improve your English speaking to your favorite person, that is yourself. So, now you have started thinking in English. Now you have to express your thought. You have to read out loud. You have to practice and practice. And if there is no one to correct your mistake, don't worry. Just speak aloud, because when you will speak aloud, you will become more confident and more comfortable in your English. So, start speaking aloud, talk speaking in English. So, that is very important. Third step towards easy spoken English is use a mirror. So what you can do is you can take a few minutes out of your day, stand in front of the mirror and speak. Choose any topic and start speaking on them. So what you will observe in this, how your mouth, your face, your body language speaks with you. It it also makes you feel like you're talking to someone. You can pretend to have a discussion. So when you're speaking in the mirror, you get you get comfortable, because if you have a hesitation of speaking in English in front of the people, so when you can cover up this hesitation by you speaking in mirror, talking to yourself only. So talk for a full 2 to 3 minutes, don't stop. If you get stuck, you don't have to worry, try expressing your views, and when you are done with that, then you can look up for 2 3 new ways of expressing yourself in which you are stuck. This will definitely help you find out what kinds of word or sentence you have trouble with. So use a mirror to improve your spoken English. Fourth point is focus on English fluency, not grammar. So this is very important. When you speak in English, how often you stop. So you stop like so this looks very, the person is less confident, he's not comfortable in English. The more you stop, the less confident you sound and less comfortable you become. So you try the mirror exercise as I said earlier, but challenge yourself to speak without stopping or stammering the entire time. So you have to challenge yourself that you have to speak continuously without stopping. This means that your sentence won't be grammatically perfect, but that's okay. If you focus on speaking fluently instead of correctly, you still be understood and will sound better. You can fill the correct grammar and word rules as you learn them better. So you can start speaking fluently, and side by side you can learn the grammar part as well. Last but not the least, listen and repeat. Start watching English TV serials, English series. Use them to improve your fluency. Choose a short part of a show and repeat it line by line. Try to match the tone, speed, and even the accent. It